Hey guys, so here I'll be showing you how to remove the background from any picture. If you have a picture, you want to change the background, you want to change the color as well. This is the best software or the best website for you to use. So let's go down. First, go to your browser. You click on the search. You go to erase.bg. Erase.bg. Okay, so you click on go. It brings you here. So remove background from images for free. So what I'm going to do is to go and select the image I have. Click on upload image. I go to my photo library, and then you select the picture you want to use. Let me use this lady here. Okay, I'll use this. Let's use this and see. Palm trees. Okay, it's going to be asking to know if you're a robot. So I'll verify. As you can see, the image is loading here. It's processing it. Voila. So you see, this right here is the main image, and then this is the background moved. So you can just click on download, and it will download to your phone directly. As you can see, it has been downloaded. So there are other things you can also do with this. You see the edit button here. You can click on edit. Maybe you want to change the color directly from the app here. So let's use colorful. Let's use this. It's loading. Use this. You see how beautiful it is. Okay. I click OK. I think this will be all. Let me go back and put that. I think I cleaned it up. Yeah, so this is it. So this is the icon up here. I click on download. So it's processing the image and it's downloaded. So I can now view the image now. Let me go down to my photos. Okay, it seems it is saved as a document, and I'm using an iPhone, so it can't be viewed now. So I can view it from here. Let me send it to someone. But it's already been saved to my device. So as you can see, it's very beautiful, clean job. The background is cut very well. You see? So